Heat treatment is like magic for metals. It changes their properties without changing their shape. One awesome type of heat treatment is annealing. Annealing is like giving metal a relaxing spa day. Annealing is a heat treatment process. It involves heating a material to a specific temperature. The material is held at this temperature for a set period. This is followed by controlled cooling. Annealing involves three main steps. First, we heat the metal to a specific temperature. The temperature depends on the metal. Second, we keep the metal at that temperature for a while. This lets the heat spread evenly. Third, we slowly cool the metal. This is usually done in a furnace. The annealing process changes the internal structure of the metal. It alters the size and arrangement of the grains. Grains are like tiny building blocks that make up the metal. Annealing makes metals easier to work with. It makes them less hard. It also improves their ductility. Ductility is the ability of a material to stretch without breaking. Annealed metals are less likely to crack or break during machining or forming. Annealing can also enhance a metal's electrical conductivity. This is important for applications where electrical signals need to flow easily. This includes wiring and electrical components. Many metals benefit from annealing. Steel is a common one. Annealing makes steel easier to machine and weld. Copper and aluminum are also often annealed. Annealing improves their electrical conductivity. Annealing is important for many industries. It is used to make cars, airplanes, and electronics. Annealed metals are also used in construction and manufacturing. Without annealing, many of the products we rely on every day would be much more difficult and expensive to produce. Thank you for watching. For more update, please subscribe my channel.